Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the age preferences in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply try to change the age preferences. Right here on the top right section, you will find the button like this. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Well, there are many filters here like show me, age range, the distance and everything. But for now, we simply want to change the age preferences. I'm gonna click on the second option that says age range. Now this will open up. Now from here, you can select from a minimum to a maximum. Let's simply change both of them. And guys, once you have selected it, simply hit on apply. Now once you've clicked on it, all you have to do is click on apply filters. And guys, there you go. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.